Ni hao, ngohay alay sa Cordova, ngogami samsat Misol. I am from Philippines. I was born on January 31, 1993, Aquarius. I have 2 kids, 14 years old boy and 8 years old girl. I have past employment in Hong Kong and in Macau. In Hong Kong, I was a domestic helper for 4 years with one employer, taking care of kid and newborn and doing all the household chores. And in Macau, I also take care of one kid aged 10 and doing also the household chores. I am still willing to learn and be challenged of more tasks that will be given to me by my employer, and I assure you that I will do my best to perform and satisfy you in my work. I hope you will be my employer soon. Thank you.